Oh, she was too hard, if anything, yeah.
So here we are at the Devonshire Arms in Kentish Town Road. So this is one of the main goth pubs in Camden, so let's go and have a look in here. Well, unfortunately we've got up to the door and look, it's not open, so I can't show you what's in here. So I'll upload some photos of the inside and upload those for you instead. Here's the new rock shop, which is in Camden High Street. So let's go and have a look in there. Look at them.
Good morning, Bridget. Do you want to go to some shops? Follow Jesus, he's coming back again.
This is the Hawley Arms pub, which is where Amy Winehouse used to work and sing. This is in Castlehaven Road. This shop is called Say Say and it's on Chalk Farm Road. This looks amazing. Let's go and have a look in here.
Yeah. So many anymore. Thank you. There's a lot of Lolita adjacent stuff though, like. Or I would throw. And you like pretend to be drunk for a while, like. Okay.
Here's the steps that are on the front of the Clash album, and there's a sign up there that says the Clash steps. There's the sign there. This is a cyber dog shop, which is where you can get all your cyber goth gear, if that's what you're into.
She said to him, she was like, is that too much? And she was like,
but yeah.
The shop's called Darkware, as you can see, and it's up here.
I'm not sure, but I'm going to do this song.
This shop's called Tainted Prince, and it's in Sadler's Row. I've heard great things about this shop, so let's go and have a look in here.
how are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
I bought one of those. Quite sniffles. But like not connected to it. Well, look, how much is it?
This is the Regent's Canal. It goes all the way across the north of London and all the way meets up with the Grand Union Canal, and which goes all the way to the Midlands.
Cheers, man.
This market stall here is in this market, and they've got some gothy clothes here.
Or to UK size. If you guys are interested in anything, please let me know. Some of them up here do something funny.
This is a London British boot company. This is where madness started up, we think. If you know anything different, can you let me know in the comments?